Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bharti Airtel. Our analyst maintains buy on Bharti Airtel with a price target of Rs 1870. As we believe the tariff repair, greater traction from new and adjacent businesses, moderation of capex intensity would aid in further deleveraging the balance sheet. Improved realization in mobile segment, aided by tariff repair and sustained momentum in phones, Airtel business and digital portfolio are expected to drive growth. At current market price, the stock trades at 28.6 times its FY26 and 11.2 times FY26 EV by EBITDA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.